Hello guys. Yan. So recovery. So ito yung mga supplement natin guys. Yan. Ito. Calcium para sa buto. B-complex. Siyempre, meron tayong saging. Yan. Recovery. Tawag yan. So pagkatapos natin magbuhat guys, meron tayong mga supplement na nakahanda na. Yan. Creatine. So, meron tayong creatine. Yan. Mutant. Oh. Easy. Sarap. So, pagkatapos ko magbuhat, syempre, natural tayo ngayon. Meron tayong supplement. Recovery sa ating muscle. So, malaki kasi yung butas. Yan. So ito yung ginagawa ko araw-araw. Matapos ng buhat, bago magbuhat. Shit. Yan. Para malusog pa rin muscle natin. Recovery guys. Yan. Pag wala tayong recovery, hindi maganda yung muscle natin. Kaya tayong B-complex para sa daloy ng ating dugo. Calcium.
You remember that? What do you mean stuff happens? People leave. Because they find something they like that.
Diba? Sarap pa.
No.
So, yun yung mga
You're being truthful.
ano natin guys. Kinakain natin pagkatapos ng workout.
Make it
Yan.
with you. So I'm on the Titans TV football team, and it was third down. It was at the end. We knew.
Tapos,
So we stopped the lead probably.
lalagyan ko ulit para bukas bago pumunta ng gym. Lalagay ko sa rep para masarap malamig, masarap inumin.
Which means that I'm supposed to tackle the guy if he makes it past the people on the line. So they're running
Before
back
and after to guys
Am I
ha.
supposed to be following these terms? This
Creatine.
phrase is supposed to mean something to me?
Just listen.
So nilalagay ko sa
So
Gatorade.
their running back was big.
Kaya bumibili akong Gatorade para mas masarap ang
I'm
lasa.
the only one with the tackle.
May lasa. Yung Gatorade na ano siya. So alugin natin guys.
Highly intelligent.
Lagay natin sa rep
Powers of poetry is.
para
How come we let the
Ano?
pizza delivery guy, even though he handled that?
masarap inumin sa umaga. Yan. Yan.
He said something about it.
So, yun yung mga supplement natin guys ha. Ito. Para hindi na kayo nagtatanong kung ano mga supplement ko. Yan. Habang off-season, kailangan natin ng
How come you
calcium.
don't look at yourself in the mirror?
Siyempre, B-complex to.
Okay.
So, naubusan ako ng fish oil. So, okay lang yun.
You don't like looking at yourself. You
So, ganun lang guys ha.
You comb your hair.
Para sa mga baguhan na gusto ng mga palaki, try nyo to.
You look down on top.
Tsaka saging. Let's go.
Your sweater's inside. It doesn't feel so good, does it?
You're changing the focal length of the lens.
No, I don't even know what that is.
Are you zooming?
So do you admit
Joke lang.